Hi everyone! Today I'll walk you through some of the most frequently asked about syncing WhatsApp with Hubspot. First, we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp syncing issue with Hubspot. First things first, make sure all the required permissions are granted. Eazybe needs specific permissions to integrate with Hubspot. Check with your super admin to ensure that the file and app marketplace permissions are enabled. Without these, the conversations won't be backed up properly. Next, confirm that WhatsApp activity is enabled in Hubspot. You can do this by opening any Hubspot contact page either directly or using Eazybe Views Contact on Hubspot button. Look for the activity filter on the contacts timeline and ensure that WhatsApp activity is checked under the communications section. This is where all synced chats are stored. If it's not checked, you won't see your conversations. Now, second question. Can I stop sync for particular contacts? Head to your Hubspot settings and check the permissions under Users and Teams. If you're not seeing the right options, ask your super admin to grant access to the app marketplace and files permissions. They have full control, so a quick message them should solve it. If you're using labels for organizing contacts and noticing that some chats aren't syncing, it might be because the label is set to Don't Sync. Double check this by clicking on the Backup and Sync button in the right sidebar. If the label is set to Don't Sync, change to Sync, and you are good to go. Alternatively, you can create a new label for contacts you want to stop syncing. Just move those contacts into a new label and set it Don't Sync. It's a quick way to control which chats are backed up and which aren't. At last, where can I see backup of my WhatsApp chats in Hubspot? Your WhatsApp chats are stored in a few places. On the contacts timeline under the WhatsApp activity section. This is your go-to for all message backups. In the deal section, if the contact has associated deals, chats will appear under the latest deal. On the company page, where chats are linked to the company, are also displayed. So whether you're managing contacts, deals, or companies, your sync chats are always easy to find. And that's it! If you have more questions, feel free to explore our help center.